Good day everyone! It's another rainy day in my part of the world. And let's do our Ilocano word of the day for Ilocano learners, and of course, as usual, with Tagalog translations for Tagalog speakers. So, what is our Ilocano word of the day? Our Ilocano word is something that I always have in my bag. Danum. 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 Danum means water. And for Tagalog speakers learning Ilocano, or for those learning both Tagalog and Ilocano, in Tagalog, danum is tubig. 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 You know, like too big. The opposite of too small. Too big. Too big. Too big. Too big. Again, let's say that in Ilocano. Danum. 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 Too big. Too big. Too big. That's all for our quick Ilocano word of the day. I have to go back home. That's all. Until next time. Babush. Hi. You're cold. You're cold. Your nose is so cold. Do you want Tita's danum? Hot danum? Kuku, do you want my danum? You have your own danum. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. Say bye-bye na.